Welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you incredible 10 penny puzzle. Why it's so incredible? Because it's so simple. Most of other puzzle I showed you before are more complex, all the moves are more complex and difficult, and it may take a lot of time to solve them, but this puzzle looks so easy. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. It may take you a while before you find the right solution. This puzzle is made out of laser cut wood. It has laser engravement, and it's made by Creative Craft House in United States. As you could guess from the name of this puzzle, the goal of it is to fit all 10 pennies inside this square. I will show you solution after a small spoiler break. If you want to see the solution of this puzzle, you can keep watching the video. But if you don't want to spoil all the fun trying to solve this puzzle by yourself, stop watching now. Okay, to solve this puzzle, first we have to take out our coin, and now we will try to make some room to fit it inside. So when you try it first time, you make some space and try to fit your coin, like for example here, yeah, but no, you can fit it here, no overlapping allowed, so this solution doesn't work. So you try some other places to fit it, and again no luck. So the real solution is the follows. You have to take put 3 coins down here, 2 coins on the left, and 4 coins like this, and now you can fit your last coin inside. As you can see, there is no overlapping, all the coins fit perfectly inside the square, and this solution works pretty well from any other side. So maybe, for example, you can put 3 coins here, and 2 coins here, and all other here, and then you can fit your last coin. So the solution is pretty simple, but it may take a while before you can find this solution. If you like this video, press like and subscribe button so you never miss my new video.